Printing press. Perfected by Johannes Gutenberg around 1440, it massively increased the spread of books, literacy, and scientific knowledge. Astrolabe, a refined navigation and astronomy tool used to measure stars and determine latitude, helping explorers travel farther and more accurately. Magnetic compass. Improved during the Renaissance, it revolutionized ocean navigation and enabled long-distance exploration and trade. Gunpowder artillery. Cannons and firearms transformed warfare, making castles less effective and changing military strategy across Europe. Mechanical clock. Advances in clockmaking improved accurate timekeeping, essential for science, navigation, and city life. Improved spectacles. Better eyeglasses allowed scholars, craftsmen, and older people to read and work more effectively. Parachute design. Early parachute concepts sketched by Leonardo da Vinci demonstrated advanced engineering imagination. Screw press. Used in winemaking, olive oil production, and printing, it increased industrial and agricultural efficiency. Double-entry bookkeeping. Popularized by Luca Pacioli, it became the foundation of modern accounting and banking. Improved cartography and portable maps. Renaissance mapmaking became far more accurate, supporting exploration, trade, and global expansion. Together, these innovations helped spark the scientific revolution, global exploration, modern finance, mass communication, and the transition from medieval Europe to the modern world.